When you think of raw power, unstoppable performance, and legendary toughness, only one name truly dominates the world of bulldozers: Caterpillar Cat D8. This isn't just a machine, it's a force of nature. In a world where deadlines are tight, terrain is unforgiving, and every second counts, the Cat D8 Bulldozer is the ultimate weapon in the hands of serious operators across America. Whether you're building highways, clearing forests, or moving mountains, literally, the D8 is the muscle that gets the job done. From the oil fields of Texas to the rugged landscapes of Montana, the Cat D8 has earned its place as one of the most trusted bulldozers in the industry. Powered by a high-performance Cat C15 engine delivering up to 354 horsepower, this machine tears through tough ground like a hot knife through butter. It's not just about power, it's about intelligent power. With features like Cat grade control, auto carry, and optional GPS guidance, the D8 doesn't just push dirt, it does it with pinpoint precision, reducing rework and saving serious money. Efficiency is the name of the game, and Caterpillar nailed it. The Cat D8 moves up to 10% more material per gallon of fuel than its predecessors. That means less fuel stops, more work done, and lower operating costs. Its torque converter with lock-up clutch ensures more power goes to the ground where it matters and less is wasted. Every drop of diesel is used to do what this machine was built for, pushing limits. But raw muscle isn't everything. Step into the D8's cab and you'll find a command center built for modern operators. With intuitive controls, a high-tech touchscreen, and an ultra-comfortable air suspension seat, this bulldozer doesn't just move dirt. It makes the operator feel like they're piloting a next-gen machine. Long hours on rough job sites? No problem. The D8 reduces fatigue, improves visibility, and boosts productivity, shift after shift. Durability is where the Cat D8 becomes a legend. From frozen tundras in Alaska to the blazing deserts of Arizona, this machine is built to survive and thrive in the harshest environments. With reinforced steel structures, a heavy-duty undercarriage, and smart maintenance features like ground level service points, this dozer is made to keep working when others quit. Fewer breakdowns, less downtime, more profit, and let's not forget the tech. With Cat Product Link and Vision Link, you can track every detail of your bulldozer remotely: location, fuel consumption, idle time, and maintenance alerts. That means smarter decisions, better fleet management, and zero surprises. For nearly a century, the Cat D8 has been the backbone of serious earth-moving in America. It's a machine that holds its value, earns respect, and delivers performance year after year. When you invest in a D8, you're not just buying a bulldozer, you're investing in unshakable reliability. So if you're in the business of moving the earth and moving it fast, the Cat D8 isn't just an option, it's the standard. Built for power. Built for precision. Built for America. Welcome to the world of Caterpillar D8, where jobs get done and legends are made.